Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I've got a box opening from Spinnaker. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check and you'll see that I am actually wearing another Spinnaker. This is the Whole Riviera. I actually really like this one, love the red. And guys, if you check the video notes, there are discount codes, promo codes for Spinnaker, Aviate, and Ballast, as well as, if you're into cars, check out my other YouTube channel, Mileage Unknown. Got a bunch of old project cars that I'm always tinkering around with. But let's see what we got here. Looks like we've got more than just a watch, so let's check it out. I really like a lot of the Spinnakers. They kind of stay, tried and true. A lot of their automatics are running Seiko movements. They make modifications to the cases and dials just to change it up a bit. And let's see what we got here. This is the Spinnaker. This is the Spence. And it's really similar to another watch I got from Spinnaker. I love this weird crazy green color on the band and the dial on these, but the Spence is a little different than the previous one I got. That was the Wreck, and the dial on the Wreck looked a little different, and the even the case looked a little bit more distressed, or the bezel looked more distressed on the Wreck. This one has a nice matte finish on the case. Got logoed crown. I'm going to say that is a NH35 Seiko movement right there. So you're not going to really have any issues with it. So this one is the SP-5066-03. Now I was just on Spinnaker's site, and these SP-5066s, a lot of them are on closeout right now for $199. Now normally you can use your that Watchin promo code to save 15%, but I think on the closeout stuff you're not going to be able to use that. But at $199, that's a pretty cool looking piece. I know the color combo is not going to be something everyone's into. Let's check out these straps and see what we got here. So it looks like got a number of different straps to check out. And one of the things I really like about the Spinnaker watches is their straps. A lot of the leather straps are nice big thick ones. And I've gotten a few of their other style straps in the past. Let's see what we got here. So this one is SP Nato 22 SB02. Definitely have to take a few of my Spinnakers and play around with some of the straps. Maybe I'll make another video when I do a follow-up on swapping out some of the straps for some of their other ones. A lot of their, I don't remember the pricing on the straps, so I'll have to go back and check out. But like I said, I really like a lot of them, and I'm sure they're worth checking out. Came with a bag of spring bars in this one, and judging by the part number, it's going to be a Nato strap. So let's see what we got. Very well packaged. Got a blue and red Nato. I like Nato straps. When I first started playing around with Natos, I didn't like them as much, but man, once you have them on a watch, they're just super easy to swap out, and you can completely change the look of a watch really short or really quickly with a Nato strap. Because once, the spring bars are in place, they're really easy to just thread through and change out. And I do have a couple watches that this one might be a good fit on. Definitely not this this Spence right here with the crazy green. Blue and red would be a clash on that one for sure. Let's see what else we got. We've got SP Strap 22 RL01. Let's see. I like these little bags they come in. Make it a little nicer. All right, so this one came with a little spring bar tool and spring bars. I love when there's lots of stuff to open. Ooh. Wow, that's an interesting one. So we've got leather on top sewn in with a rubber backing. Kind of a little different. There again, I think I probably have some watches that one would look good swapped out on. Got Spinnaker on the buckle. Pretty cool. Even that Nato had Spinnaker on the buckle if my camera wanted to focus on it. But got Spinnaker on the buckle. Huh. I don't know. That one's different. I'm not 100% on the rubber leather combo, but pretty cool. I think, like I said, I've got some watches that might be fun to swap that out. Got two more to look at here. I've got a SP Strap 22 RT03. Once again, we've got a nice bag. Pretty cool. It's cool, like if you were actually, another little spring bar tool. If you're actually giving these to somebody, you know, that are into watches and like swapping out straps, it's kind of cool that they come in the nice little bags here. Once again, we got spring bars. Definitely shouldn't run out of spring bars anytime soon. Let's see what we got here. Ooh. Wow, and that one's rubber. For a second I thought it was leather. From behind the camera, kind of hard to see, but it's a nice brown rubber actually. And it's not too soft and not too stiff. Some of the rubber straps I've had in the past, the type of rubber they use tends to attract hair and stuff. It's kind of weird, but got Spinnaker on the buckle. Kind of a cool design on the strap itself. Another cool one that will be fun to play around with on some of the watches I've got. All right, and we've got one more. This one looks like we got another Nato, SP-Nato 22R05. All right, try and get this opened up, see what we got. Again, nice little bag. Got spring bars. And let's see what we got on this Nato. That one's a crazy color green. This would be kind of cool with a black watch with kind of a matte case, just something to change it up and brighten it up. Like I said, once Natos are installed, you know, they doesn't take much to change them up. And this one's interesting because it's rubber versus this nylon Nato, so kind of cool, kind of different, all different straps. To be honest, I'm not 100% on the pricing on the straps from them. I know one of the leather ones I got was a little bit on the higher end previously price-wise, but I really like them. So there is that Spinnaker Spence in that crazy green, which I do dig. I like that wreck that I have, so this is pretty cool. And then we've got the green rubber Nato, that brown rubber with the crazy pattern on it, kind of cool. We've got that leather rubber combo, definitely different. And then we have the blue and red nylon Nato. Pretty cool. Like I said, Spinnaker's got some cool stuff. Lets you change it out. Let me I'll throw this one kind of on wrist really quick, so we just take a look at it on my roughly 7-inch wrist. See what you guys think. You know, I found a lot of the Spinnakers are really sized well for my wrist. I like the way the lug length is, and the case size I think is pretty good for my 7-inch wrist. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.